Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about HoneyBook CRM honest review. So for this one, let's talk about what is HoneyBook. So HoneyBook is the best for freelancers and especially for small business owners. It's an all-in-one CRM built for creative freelancers and small again business owners. So it helps you manage inquiries, proposals, contracts, payments, and projects in one place. It's just like any project management tool, but gonna be a upgraded version of them. That is HoneyBook for you guys. It is also cloud-based. It's easy access for anywhere. So what are the key features in here? So it has client pipeline. It tracks leads, book clients, manage stages. It can also create proposals and contracts, easy to send, customizable templates. As you can see right here, it has project management. It has now AI, which is before it doesn't have that feature right there. And it's trusted by hundreds and thousands of independent businesses. Most of them are freelancers. And 98% of members would recommend, of course, HoneyBook. And also, guys, it has a scheduling tool, a project workspace, automation, and a mobile application, which is I really love personally. And these are going to be the featured companies that are partnered with HoneyBook. We have Forbes, CNBC, Reuters, TechCrunch, and so on and so forth. So basically for this one, it has a free trial. However, I'm not quite sure until when. It was not stated anywhere in here how long is that free trial will go, but these are going to be the prices. We have Starter, the Essentials, and Premium. And each of them has a free trial of their own. If you can compare each of the plans, here are they. I suggest try the first one, the Starter, the free trial, and then if you don't like it, cancel your subscription immediately. So basically, what are the pros? Let's start with pros here. So it's clean, modern, and easy to navigate interface. It has a great for client-based businesses. Also, it has time-saving template and automation. Especially if you have multiple clients and you're trying to look for clients, template and automation are a really strong tool. Now, what are the cons here? So, I only have few cons for HoneyBook. One is limited customization compared to bigger CRM, since this is going to be for small businesses and of course, freelancers. Mainly designed for service-based business, not ideal for product-based businesses. Of course, there's no free plan, there's only a free trial. So it lacks advanced features like deep sales analytics, because again, it's only for freelancers and small business owners. And lastly, for the cons, we have some integrations are missing or basic. Now, I think I remember the free trial for this one is 1 week. Now, don't quote me on that one, but I think it's going to be 7 days or a week. And basically, for that one, it's best for freelancers and small business owners. And basically, that's it. Do I recommend it? I do if you're a startup freelancer, and this is going to be the recommendations 3.6 out of 5, which is actually good from Trustpilot. Alright? So, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.